Welcome to JST Creation Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this nice, quick and easy crochet handle. Okay, let's begin. For this project I am using 4.5 mm crochet needle. Let's start. Okay, first I'm going to make some chains. Now I'm going to skip this chain, insert into very first second chain and wrap the yarn, pull through. Now I have two on my hook and make a single crochet. Now I'm going to skip this loop and insert into this loop. Wrap it, pull through. Three on my loop, wrap the yarn and pull through all three together. Okay, again once more, insert into this loop, wrap it, pull through, and insert into the chain, wrap it, pull through. Now three on my hook and pull through all three together. Again, skip these two and insert into this loop, wrap it and pull through, insert into this chain, sorry, okay, now wrap it and pull through. Now I'm going to skip these two loops and insert into this loop, wrap it, pull through, and insert into the chain, wrap it, pull through. Now three on my loop, pull through all three together. Stitch, insert into this, wrap it through and insert into the last chain, finish it off. Cut the yarn, insert into all the loops. Quick and easy crochet handles. Hope you enjoy my video. See you soon in next video.